Oh.
Hey, I want to do the curly pics again or just to shout out?
No way. Oh, wait.
Everybody throw up Houston.
H2.
I'm gonna bend over, I'm gonna smack my butt.
Ready?
Cool.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Yeah, dude, they're girls, dude. There's some of them are
I
girls.
can't. I want my contacts.
Oh, the flashing
lights. Oh, those girls too?
Dude, that group right there flashing, they're girls también, dude.
Oh my god. There's some dude just looking right now. Uh-oh.
I wonder if there's other people over here trying to look us and trying to flash también.
I know.
Go, do it.
Hey, start waving, start waving.
Turn it off.
Oh. There's some dude just looking at me.
Yeah, he's just staring.
No, he picked up his shirt.
Oh. That was like right in my face.
Dude,
They're going up there.
we got that one. And some over here and like.
Oh man, this camera sucks at recording. Like I can't get a good image, dude.
I can't either.
Some of them.
I see the recording.
4. Just 4.
Turn it. Start flashing. Start taking pictures again, dude.
Hold on, I'm about to right now. I'm just recording a little bit. I gotta remember this night. Yeah, we got a disturbance on 14th floor.
There's 13. Oh, they only got 13. Oh, like this is a 14. What else we got? So let's say we do something like crazy. Okay, so I'll pick up Orlando, and dude, they're getting crunk.
They're getting crook over there doing class.
Hey, we gotta do something crazy.
I gotta
Hold on. Okay, we'll put my contacts back on.
Hey, let's
So I
do
can
like
see
a
everything.
dance all together, dude. Like a little Beyonce thing.
Hey, we have the thing open. We on. We're gonna turn it off when we burn down the whole hotel.
Let me put my contacts on.
Alright, let's start doing. Hey, oh, hey, oh,
You really see us.
hey, turn off the lights over there, dude.
Alright. Contact is contact.
Hold up. Freestyle. Oh yeah.
You know this is recording, right?
Okay. Stop ready. Oh hey, this one's quicker.
Do it.
That's getting hot, dude. Stop flashing that thing.
Burn that one up.
Ah, hit me. Oh dude, that dude's just looking.
He is, dude.
Hey, hold on, stop. Alright, jump to me.
Hey, no, hold on, because that guy's just staring.
Oh, now I can see everybody. I got my contacts on. Yes. So.
Watch it be borrow the Mike Fernandez. We went to go call somebody.
Hey, alright, close.
No, they can't see us from here.
Hey,
Hey, flash.
you see them,
Just